With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is show that the following points are collinear. First option is given as 0, 7, minus 7, comma 1, 4, minus 5, comma minus 1, 10, 9, minus 9. Option 2, 3, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 0, 8, comma 7, minus 10, minus 6. And option 3, minus 2, 3, 5, comma 7, 0, minus 1, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's say here we are given a straight line. Okay, let's say this is the straight line and we have three of the points here, A, B, and C. Okay, so here we can say that B has divided the line AC in a certain ratio. Let's say the ratio is lambda and 1. Okay, and here if we consider the first point, that means if we take A as 0, 7, minus 7, 0, 7, minus 7, B as 1, 4, minus 5, and C as minus 1, 10, and minus 9. So we have got three of our points here according to our first point. Now let's say the ratio is lambda is to 1. That means the value for lambda will satisfy by three of the coordinates here, and similarly the value for 1 will be satisfied by three of the coordinates x, y, z, x, y, z, and x, y, z here. Okay, so for the first one, that means for x, let's find out the value of lambda. Okay, so for the first one, so the value for 1 will be equals to what? Lambda into, that means this one will be equals to lambda into minus 1 plus this one will multiply with 0, that means 1 into 0 divided by lambda plus 1. Okay, so from here you can find that lambda will be equals to lambda into minus 1, that means it will be minus lambda, and here we will have plus 1, that means it will be minus lambda minus 1, that means lambda will be equals to, from here what will find, 2 lambda will be equals to minus 1. From here we can find that lambda will be equals to minus 1 by 2. For the x coordinates, it's the value for lambda is minus 1 by 2. That means if we consider it is in the ratio of minus 1 and 2. Okay, so again if we consider for the y values, that means let's find out for the y values, it will be 4 will be equals to, that means this 4 will be equals to lambda into 10 lambda, and it will be 1 into 7 plus 7 divided by lambda plus 1. If we solve it, what we will find from here, or from here we can find that it will be 4 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 4, it will be 4 into 1, 4, which will be equals to 10 lambda plus 7. From here 4 lambda minus 10 lambda, that means minus 6 lambda will be equals to 7 minus 4, the value is 3. So from here the value for lambda will be equals to what? The value for lambda will be equals to again minus 1 by 2. So the value is again satisfied. Now if we calculate it again, that means minus 5 will be equals to, for the z coordinate if we calculate, minus 5 will be equals to minus 9 lambda, minus 9 into lambda plus 1 into minus 7 divided by lambda plus 1, similar to previous. Okay, so if we solve it from here, what we will find, or it will be minus 5 lambda minus 5 will be equals to minus 9 lambda minus 7, minus 9 lambda minus 9 lambda minus 7. Okay, so now what we will do, we will find out the value for lambda. From here we can find that it will be minus 5 plus 9, that means it will be 4 lambda will be equals to, here it will be minus 7 plus 5, that means minus 2. So again lambda is equals to minus half. Okay, so we have seen that for three of the coordinates in the first part, that means for the option 1, three of the coordinates has satisfied the value of lambda. That means we can say the line AB is divided in 1:2 ratio. That means the line is, that means they are constructing a line, that means three of the points are collinear. So we have seen that lambda value is equals to minus 1 by 2 for three of the coordinates, that means for x, y, and z coordinate. That means for the first point, three of the points, that means A, B, C, if we consider three of the points given here as A, B, and C, they lie in a line. That means we can say that for the first one, A, B, and C lie in a line, which means therefore the points are collinear. Similarly, we'll try it for the second point. That means the second question, which is given as the values are, first point has the value 3, minus 5, 1. Secondly, minus 1, 0, 8. For the third point it is 7, minus 10, minus 6. Okay, now again we'll try to find out the value for lambda for this middle point. Let's say this point is A, this is B, and this is C, and the ratio is lambda is to 1 again. Okay, So if you want to find out the value for lambda, so from here what you can find, so here it will be minus 1 will be equals to what, lambda into 7 lambda, and here it will be 1 into 3 plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1. So from here the value for lambda will be, if we cross multiply, minus lambda minus 1, it will be equals to minus lambda minus 1, it will be equals to 7 lambda plus 3, or 8 lambda will be equals to 4, therefore lambda will be equals to half. Okay, sorry, this value, that means 7 lambda, it will be on the left hand side, so it will make minus 8 lambda, and here is 4, it will be minus half again. Okay, so the ratio is minus half again. For the y coordinates, now what we'll check the value for lambda again. So for the y coordinates, 0 will be equals to lambda into minus 10 lambda, and 1 into minus 5 divided by lambda plus 1. Okay, so from here what we can find, it will be equals to, though this value will multiply with 0, so from here it will be minus 10 lambda minus 5 is equals to 0, or from here 10 lambda will be equals to what, this value minus 10 lambda will be equals to 5. Okay, so from here we can find lambda will be equals to what, again minus 1 by 2. Okay, again for the z values, the points are, it will be 8 will be equals to, it will be minus 6 lambda plus 1. So 8 will be equals to minus 6 lambda plus 1 divided by lambda plus 1. So okay, so from here what you can find, or if we solve it, it will be 8 lambda plus 8 will be equals to minus 6 lambda plus 1, or from here it will be minus 6 minus 8, that means 14 lambda will be equals to what, minus 7. If we bring this plus it on the right hand side, it will be minus 7. So from here you can find that lambda will be equals to again 1 by 2. That means here we can also see that the lambda value is minus half, and 3 of the points, that means x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate, all of them are just supporting this value. That means they are simplifying, they are having the same ratio. Okay, so here we can see that therefore our second option, that means the 3 of the points, therefore the three points lie in a line, or you can say collinear. Okay, now we'll check for our third point. So this is our third question. Okay, so again let's say this point is A, this is B, and this is C, and the ratio is lambda is to 1. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll try to find out the value of lambda and check whether these 3 of the coordinates, that means x, y, and z coordinates, satisfy the value for lambda or not. Okay, now for the first point, that means it will be 7 equals to, if we find out the x coordinate, okay, yes, with respect to the B point, it will be 7 will be equals to what, 7 will be equals to lambda into 1, that means lambda minus 2 divided by lambda plus 1, or from here it will be 7 lambda plus 7, which will equals to lambda minus 2, or from here what we will find, 7 lambda minus lambda, that means it will be 6 lambda will be equals to 7 minus 2 on this side, it will be minus 7, that means it will be minus 9. So from here you can find that lambda is equals to what, minus 9, sorry, minus 9 divided by 6, minus 9 by 6. So if we divide it by 3, it will be minus 3 divided by 2. For the second part, that means for the y coordinate, the point will be 0 will be equals to what, 0 will be equals to 2 lambda plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1, if we apply the formula here. Okay, that is lambda into this value plus 1 into 3 divided by lambda plus 1, this will be the value for 0. Okay, so from here what we can find, or from here we can find that 2 lambda will be equals to minus 3, because 2 lambda plus 3 will be equals to 0 as we multiply this value with this 0. So from here you can find that lambda is equals to minus 3 by 2. And for the third point, the value is minus 1. This will be equals to 3 lambda plus 5 divided by lambda plus 1. 3 lambda plus 5 divided by lambda plus 1. So if we cross multiply, it will be minus lambda minus 1, which will be equals to 3 lambda plus 5. Or from here 3 lambda, it will be on this side, it will be minus of 4 lambda. Okay, minus 4 lambda will be equals to plus 5 minus 1, that means it will be on this side, it will be 6. So from here lambda will be equals to minus 6 by 4. Lambda will be equals to minus 6 by 4, which is equals to what, minus 3 by 2. So here also we can see that the lambda value is supported by all of the coordinates. So we can say that therefore 3 points are collinear. That means 3 of the questions given here are the points on the given on the 3 of the questions are collinear. So this is the required solution of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.